Practice 3, leaving our day's concerns behind. Okay, so we all live such busy and complex lives, and it's very normal and natural that the moment that we sit down to rest, our minds are invaded and are turning over the difficult problems and stresses of our day. And this is natural. We've lived like this all our lives. That behavior is so automatic and habituated. But what we're doing in our mindfulness practice is making that deliberate shift to shift away from that automatic mode of mind, from worrying, from ruminating, to leave the concerns of the day behind us, to just set them aside for a few moments. We're not ignoring them, we're just setting them aside, and we are inquiring and noticing what happens when we shift our attention away from the rumination and the worry and the overthinking, and we shift it to the sensory process of being in the body, sensing and being in the body through the breath as an anchor of our attention. So what we're doing is we have all of that difficult, busy worries, and what we want to do in a way is take a moment to set that aside, using the breath to interrupt the natural sort of drift into overthinking and just turning that stuff over and over in our minds, and to shift into this sensory mode to just be with our experience in our body. So in today's meditation, in the beginning, in the grounding stage, we're going to just take a moment to consider that we can allow ourselves to set this stuff aside. And then in the breath focus part of the meditation, similarly, when we notice that those thoughts are coming into our mind's eye, we interrupt them by shifting our attention to the sensations of breathing and feeling the breath in the core of our body. That is our anchor during the practice. Okay, so let's do that. Let's close our eyes. Again, tuning into our meditation posture. Feeling the content, the contact of our bodies with the ground. Our feet, our legs with the ground. Contact with the chair or cushion. Spine is upright, your shoulders are relaxed. Soften your belly. And asking yourself the question, how does my body feel as I sit here? What sensations are present? What emotions are present? What thoughts are present? Perhaps you're worried about something. Perhaps you've had a very stressful day. And you can feel that in your body. How is that impacting your inner experience, how it feels to be in your body. And then asking the question, can I set that aside for the duration of the meditation, for 10 minutes? Not ignoring it, but simply allowing it to move to the periphery of our experience. And being with ourselves in a different way, not in a thinking way, but in a sensing and being way. Okay, so now let's shift our attention to feel the breath in your body. Feeling the sensations of breathing in your belly, abdomen. Where is your mind now? So perhaps you started to think about the day's difficulties, the day's problems. You can notice that and gently redirect your awareness to feel the breath in the core of your body. It's like a spotlight of attention, focusing on the sensations of breathing. Feeling the breath. Where is your mind now? Has it been pulled back into the thoughts, the difficulty, the stress in your life? Notice that and feel the breath in the core. So I'll be quiet now for a couple of minutes. See if you can stay, if feeling the breath in the core of your body. Where is your mind now? Are you getting pulled into the day's worries and difficulties? Again, just notice that and return to feel the breath in the core of your body. Stage 3, open awareness. So letting the breath fall into the background. Posture is important. Your spine is upright. Feeling the contact of your body with the ground. And now it's like a floodlight of attention. So sitting with an awareness of your whole body, without judgment, without analyzing. Just simply sitting still with a sense of your whole body. Have you started to think about something? Lost in thought? Just come back to feel, to be present to the body in stillness. And slowly bringing your practice to a close, and open your eyes and stretching out. So our lives are so busy and complex. Our attention just repeatedly gets hijacked into worry and anxiety. And it becomes very habituated. We just become expert, Olympic level warriors. And this is creating a more adaptive system where it's important that we reflect on what is difficult in our lives, but we don't want to get stuck there. And a practice like today's is just bringing awareness to that and then saying, okay, I don't have to always be in that mode of mind. I can also be in a sensory, grounded, present mode of mind. And that's what we are cultivating through this practice. Thank you.